Hey YouTube, this is my bike check for my Mirraco Velle. It's a dirt jumper. It's pretty sick, actually. It's a 2011. Just got it about a couple months ago. I put a brand new black sheep rim on there. It's about $150, $60, something like that. My front rim is a premium, really good rim. I've jumped a lot of shit and should have broke it, but it's still holding up. Overall, it's a really good rim. I think that's a stolen stem with EVS forks, which are not stock. DK pedals. Unfortunately, I did not have my brakes pads on. Took those off. I do not know why. Contact tires. Been really good for me so far. I just got that back one, and then my front one is a Contact 2. Got it from Dance Club for like 20 bucks. And my grips are Black Label. Kind of wore out. Should probably get some new ones. And a Black Label seat, stock. And it sounds really good. I love this bike. Like, I also have a Mirraco Edit, and I will do a bike check over it pretty soon. But overall, this is a really good bike, and I would prefer it if you were looking to get a Mirraco. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and comment and like, please. Thanks.